Hi, in this session, I'll be explaining about different string functions available to be used in SQL queries. You can see in the select query on the screenshot, there are different functions I am using concat to concatenate different columns and length to get the length of the field value, left to get left three characters, lower to translate it to lowercase, upper to translate to uppercase, right similar to left it gives first left three characters, right gives the right two characters. This length that we need to specify and substring from the field which offset and how much length that substring that we need to get. Replace in the column the value to be replaced with we can use it concatenate space if this concatenation will just add concatenate these two fields, but this is concatenate with space will add space into it. That's all about the string functions we can use in select queries. These are all frequently used string functions, but we can we have so many string functions that you can explore and make use in the select statement so that the processing will be faster, but the time of data will be derived from the database itself and no need to write further above code to achieve this functionality like looping the internal table to work area and doing the translation or shifting getting strings or like concatenating. Thank you for watching.